People blocked Pangai Road in agitation against controversial construction of slab culvert at Yumnam Patlo Bridge in Imphal East. People fondly remember late Maira Paibam leader Ima Hijam Kombi on her 16th death anniversary today. And first special Air India flight evacuates 324 Indian nationals from novel coronavirus hit Wuhan city of China. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Primi Thangjim, bringing you the top stories. Members of Peace and Development Coordinating Committee PDCC along with locals today blocked road at Pangai Bazaar and agitated in demand for legal actions against PWD executive engineer and contractor concerned for carrying out construction of slab culvert at Yumnam Patlo Bridge in Imphal East against the work scheduled. Taking part in the protest, PDCC General Secretary Thaudam Himjit said, people pleaded to Chief Minister N. Biren for proper construction of the culvert during one of the People's Day last year, upon which the Chief Minister instructed the Chief Engineer concerned for the same. He said Imphal East Executive Engineer notified to carry out testing of the culvert on January 18, after which testing was carried out the next day. Thaudam Himjit claimed that the Executive Engineer said it would take at least 1 week to get response from the Chief Engineer after submission of the test report, but he went ahead with construction of the culvert on January 28.
Imphal East ki Prakash ka department ki chief engineer ka amadi contractor ka loktunaraga asugum laba nungthil pobopta huranduna koi thong se haijin gibani asugum laba haijal liba thong se asibu haijan bada chenariba chief engineer PWD amadi Imphal East ki S Prakash amadi contractor hariba singsing matakda government atuba matamda action lokhatpiu PDCC na puthok charaba nungthil pobopta hurale khangaba proof mayam ama piraba asugum laba loktunaba chief engineer tembagi mathakta loinana huralona asida chauna mateng pangiba akhoi contractor hariba ahum masigi matakta government atuba matamda action lokhataba taragade akhoi PDCC na lebang miyam ga pullaga ahenba akanba khongjang changchin jagani habase ai medai thong tamja.
People remembered late Maira Paibi leader Ima Hijam Kombi on her 16th death anniversary today. Poirei Laimarol Maira Paibi upon Manipur organized observance at Lamphil Sanakaitel. Speaking at the event, Amuko President PH Nando Luwang revered late Ima Hijam Kombi for her immense contribution in fighting against the atrocities meted out by the armed forces under the shadow of AFSFA. He lamented that politics have maligned the true essence of Maira Paibi in the present time. PH Nando Luwang stressed on the need for Maira Paibi associations to dissociate themselves from politics and politically influential people to preserve its sanctity. Eminent women leaders like President of Nupi Kunai Bokul Makhong Ima Warugpa Mangol, President of Poirei Laimarol Maira Paibi Apunba Manipur Ima Longjam Mimchobi, and President of Maira Paibi Welfare Association Kanglai Park R. Rengsonga Koireng took part in the event.
Lamdam se chathariba apas phagi marumda thiba miwat minei mayam se masida maruiba lusing bi mera pai bi kharana mai punar yam phajal thingna badagi aikoi lamdam sigi thawai kya kan bi rei me adubu ngasidi mera pai bi singi phajal masak sing achida rajniti toriba kya na nakan nakan dagi phut thajal lapadi ngasi mera pai bi sing masakdam sing adu maring marang bakhradi ohelle aduna ngasi mera pai bi sing akoi thang gadaba khongthang yam luba poramang ware masi tasengna aikoi miyamna masi khang Changi Maira Paibi section bam changi aduga randi to biriba kampusina su sumba Maira Paibi ba tasengba masi yam phajaba institution amane ba masi koi changkhin birodam ne haibo pham jai me ahama thamjini aduga ngasidi Maira Paibi singna tawgodaba thabak se kari no haibasi mayek sengaktraba haujikti ni Maira Paibi singna tawgodaba thabak si manga tariba kari no haibasi mayek sing singdaba khar leire lebak ki matam matam gore ba thogdo wathok sing adu maipuna banatana Maira Paibi na tangtana tawgodaba thabak haibado si masing marang
A team of narcotics cell Imphal East arrested two miscreants in possession of contraband drugs at different locations of Imphal East district yesterday. Sources said upon tip-off by OC Narcotics Cell Imphal East to Imphal East District Additional SP Operation, the narcotics cell team arrested 27 years old Muhammad Abdul Waris, son of Muhammad Islauddin from Uruk Maya Ilaika, in possession of 11 grams of heroin powder at his residence at around 4:50 p.m. Later in the night at around 8 p.m., a combined team of Narcotic Cell Imphal East and volunteers of Anti-Drug Joint Committee Kairang Komidok Khabai Soy seized 5 grams of heroin powder from 40 years old Muhammad Amu alias Abdullah, son of late Muhammad Wahid from Komidok Karongthong. He was arrested with the contraband drug from Ishilakon near Sajua jail. The arrested miscreants have been handed over to relevant police stations for further legal actions. On the note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on evacuation of over 300 Indian nationals from novel coronavirus hit Wuhan city. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Air India flight carrying 324 Indian nationals from the coronavirus hit Hubei province of China landed in Delhi at around 7:30 this morning. Majority of the passengers are Indian students. A team of doctors, public health specialists and paramedical staff were present in the Jumbo 747 sent to evacuate Indian citizens from Wuhan. The passengers will be quarantined for 14 days at the 2 quarantine centers set up at Manesar, managed by Armed Forces Medical Services, and Chola camp, managed by ITBP. All male passengers will be sent to Manesar camp, and families or females can be housed in the ITBP camp. If any person is found affected by novel coronavirus, he or she will be shifted to the designated hospital for further investigation and management. In that case, it will also be assessed if further quarantine of the contacts is required. In addition, a 50-bedded critical care facility has been set up at Safdarjung Hospital in Delhi for critical care of the patients. Defense ministers of nearly 40 countries will participate in the biennial Defense Expo 2020, which begins in Lucknow tomorrow. Defense Minister of Czech Republic, Mexico, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, and are among those participating, including ministers from 14 African countries. Briefing the media, Defense Secretary Dr. Ajay Kumar said in New Delhi yesterday that for the first time, India-Africa Defense Conclave will be held during the DEF Expo. He said the number of companies registered for participation in the DEF Expo 2020 has increased to 1,000 from 702 in the last edition held in Chennai. 19 technical and business seminars are planned during the DEF Expo 2020, and 15 of these would be organized by various industry chambers, including CII, PhD Chamber of Commerce, the Associated Chamber of Commerce of India. Some of the seminar topics include discussion on artificial intelligence, robotics, Internet of Things, LOTS, drones, wired warrior, among others. Arrangements have been made for 5,000 college students from various technical colleges of Uttar Pradesh for visiting during business days. Entry will be free for general public on February 8th and 9th. And in sports news, Kerala Blaster will meet Chennai in FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at Kerala's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium tonight at 7:30. In yesterday's league match, Mumbai City FC defeated Northeast United FC 1-0 at Mumbai Football Arena. For the winners, Diego Carlos netted a lone goal at the 44th minute of the match. And in Hero I-League match between Aizawl FC and Real Kashmir FC is underway at Aizawl's Rajiv Gandhi Stadium since 2 this afternoon. In another league match today, East Bengal FC will lock horns with Indian Arrows at West Bengal's Kalyani Stadium this evening at 5. In yesterday's league match, Mohan Bagan FC defeated Chennai City FC 3-2 at Tamil Nadu's Nehru Stadium. For the winners, Papa Babakar netted 2 goals at 28 and 49 minute, and Franz Gonzalez netted 1 goal at the 28th minute of the match. For Chennai City FC, Vijay Nagapan and Jishnu Balakrishnan scored 1 goal each at the 65th and 70th minute of the match. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People blocked Pangai Road in agitation against controversial construction of slab culvert at Yumna Patlo Bridge in Imphal East. People fondly remember late Myra Paibi leader Ima Hijim Kumbi on her 16th death anniversary today. And first special Air India flight evacuates 324 Indian nationals from novel coronavirus hit Wuhan city of China.